Welcome to Lord Gizmo. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating journey of how KFC's world-famous fried chicken is produced. From sourcing quality ingredients to the cutting-edge technology behind its crispy, delicious finish. Let's explore. Behind every crispy, golden piece of KFC chicken lies a fascinating and carefully orchestrated journey that transforms raw chicken into the iconic, mouth-watering meals we all love. Have you ever stopped to wonder how millions of pieces of chicken are processed and cooked to perfection in such a short amount of time? The journey begins with sourcing high-quality chicken from trusted suppliers worldwide. These suppliers follow strict guidelines for animal welfare, food safety, and environmental sustainability to ensure that the chicken is not only delicious, but also ethically sourced. Once the chicken arrives at the processing plant, it goes through a series of steps to ensure cleanliness and quality. First, the feathers are removed using a combination of hot water baths and specialized machines that gently strip them away. The chicken is then thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or debris. Next, the internal organs are carefully removed, and each bird is inspected for any signs of disease or imperfections. This attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality chicken moves forward in the process. After inspection, the chicken is marinated in KFC's secret blend of herbs and spices, a closely guarded recipe that gives the chicken its distinctive flavor. The marination process is key to infusing the chicken with the rich, savory taste that has made KFC famous around the world. The chicken is then coated in a special breading mixture, ensuring that each piece is evenly covered and ready for frying. The magic of KFC's crispy texture comes from Colonel Sanders' invention of the pressure fryer, which locks in moisture and ensures that the chicken remains tender on the inside while achieving a perfectly crispy exterior. This intricate process, from sourcing to seasoning to frying, ensures that every piece of KFC chicken is as delicious and satisfying as the last. The remarkable journey of KFC begins with its founder, Colonel Harlan Sanders, whose life story is filled with perseverance and determination. Born on September 9, 1890, in Henryville, Indiana, Sanders faced numerous hardships early on, including the loss of his father when he was just 5 years old, and the challenges of growing up in poverty. By the time he reached his 40s, Sanders was managing a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he started serving meals to travelers. It was here that he perfected his fried chicken recipe, which quickly became a local favorite. In 1935, Sanders opened his first restaurant, naming it Kentucky Fried Chicken. His culinary talents were soon recognized, and in honor of his success, the Kentucky governor bestowed upon him the honorary title of Colonel, a title that would later become synonymous with the brand. Despite his growing popularity, Sanders' path to success was not without obstacles. A devastating fire destroyed his original restaurant, and a new highway that bypassed his location caused a significant decline in customer traffic. However, Sanders remained undeterred. Rather than give up, he decided to take his secret recipe on the road and began franchising his fried chicken to other restaurant owners. His persistence paid off, but not without challenges. Sanders faced over 1,000 rejections from potential franchisees before finally securing his first partner in 1952. By 1964, at the age of 74, Sanders had built KFC into a global empire with more than 600 franchises, making his famous fried chicken a beloved dish worldwide. His journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and the belief that success can come even after facing numerous setbacks. Today, chicken remains the cornerstone of KFC's menu. The company sources its chicken from multiple poultry suppliers worldwide, adhering to strict safety, ethical, and environmental standards. Suppliers must comply with guidelines covering animal welfare, food safety, and sustainability. To ensure these high standards are consistently met, KFC conducts regular audits of its suppliers. These audits verify humane treatment of animals, adherence to food safety protocols, and environmentally responsible practices. Many of KFC's suppliers are certified by organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative (GFSI), which enforces top-tier food safety standards. By working with responsible suppliers, KFC ensures that its chicken is not only delicious, but also ethically and sustainably sourced, giving customers meals they can trust. Once the chicken arrives at processing facilities, it undergoes a carefully managed process to ensure quality and humane treatment. Chickens are humanely stunned, rendering them unconscious and ensuring they are unaware of any pain. The subsequent steps in the production line are designed to maintain the highest standards of food safety and efficiency, ensuring that each piece of chicken meets KFC's stringent quality requirements. This combination of ethical sourcing, advanced manufacturing processes, and Colonel Sanders' timeless recipe ensures that every bite of KFC chicken delivers the signature taste customers know and love. After chickens are humanely stunned, the next stage of processing involves slaughtering and the removal of feathers. The feathers are removed using a hot water bath, which loosens them for easier extraction. Following this, the chickens are passed through a picker machine equipped with hundreds of small rubber fingers. These rotating fingers gently and efficiently strip away the feathers, leaving the skin smooth and clean. The outer surface of the chicken is then thoroughly washed with high-pressure water and food-safe solutions. This step ensures the removal of any remaining feathers, dirt, or debris. The internal cavity of the chicken is also flushed with clean water to eliminate blood and tissue residues, ensuring the highest level of cleanliness and food safety. Once the chicken has been thoroughly cleaned, the next step in the processing involves the removal of specific parts of the bird. The feet are typically the first to be separated from the body. Following this, a vent cutter is employed to remove the chicken's internal organs. This machine makes a precise cut around the vent area and then uses either suction or a gripping mechanism to extract the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs in one smooth motion. The vent cutter ensures that this process is done quickly and efficiently, minimizing the risk of contamination. After the internal organs are removed, each bird undergoes a careful inspection process. Plant workers and USDA inspectors work together to check the chicken for any signs of diseases, bruising, or other issues that might affect the quality of the meat. The inspection is thorough, ensuring that only chickens in the best condition proceed further in the processing line. A small percentage of chickens may fail the inspection, but this is rare, as the rigorous standards set by the plant and USDA are designed to ensure the highest quality. This inspection process is a crucial step in ensuring that only the healthiest chickens make it to the next stage of production. By maintaining such high standards, KFC ensures that every piece of chicken served to customers is not only safe, but also of the highest quality, meeting the brand's strict expectations. This attention to detail helps KFC maintain its reputation for serving delicious, high-quality chicken in every meal. Chickens that pass inspection are moved through an automated system to be separated into different parts. The birds are placed on a conveyor system and secured using hooks or clamps to ensure precise positioning. This alignment allows cutting machines to perform their operations with maximum efficiency and accuracy. Key sections, such as breast meat, are processed with exceptional precision using advanced machinery. Front halves of the chickens are loaded onto specialized saddles that hold the birds securely. Based on programmed specifications, cutting tools make precise incisions to separate the meat while maintaining consistent product quality. After pre-cutting, the process moves to manual harvesting stations, where skilled workers hand-pick fillets and tenders. This step ensures optimal quality and yield by combining the accuracy of machines with the expertise of human inspection. By the end of this phase, the chicken is prepared to be seasoned, breaded, and cooked, continuing its journey to becoming the delicious meal customers know and love. After the chicken meat is carefully separated from the bones, it undergoes a crucial step to ensure its quality and safety. The meat is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology, which identifies any remaining bone fragments. Pieces flagged by the machine are sent for manual inspection, where workers remove any residual bone fragments by hand. This attention to detail ensures that the final product is safe and free of any unwanted bone pieces. Once the bones are removed, the boneless meat is directed to a smart processing line. This line intelligently releases products only when they meet the batch recipe requirements, ensuring consistency in each batch. The chicken pieces, which include drumsticks, thighs, and breasts, are then delivered to KFC outlets, either fresh or frozen, depending on the specific needs of the location. At the restaurant, the chicken is marinated in a proprietary blend of herbs and spices, a crucial step that infuses the chicken with the distinctive flavors that define KFC. The recipe for this seasoning mix is a closely guarded secret, contributing to the unique taste that has made KFC famous worldwide. After marination, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading mixture, which includes flour and a unique blend of seasonings. This ensures the chicken is evenly coated, giving it the characteristic crispy texture that is so beloved by KFC customers. The heart of KFC's signature fried chicken lies in a clever invention by Colonel Sanders, the pressure fryer. Unlike traditional frying, where chicken is immersed in open oil, the pressure fryer seals the chicken in a special chamber filled with hot oil. As the fryer heats up, it builds pressure, which helps lock in moisture that would normally escape in regular frying. The result is chicken that is crispy on the outside and incredibly tender and juicy on the inside, delivering the perfect bite that customers crave. The freshly fried, golden brown chicken is then served piping hot, either as individual pieces or as part of a meal, accompanied by sides and drinks. This intricate process ensures that each piece of KFC chicken delivers the signature flavor and texture that customers know and love. The journey of creating frozen pizzas begins with a large batch of dough, which is carefully mixed and kneaded to perfection. The dough is then passed through a machine that rolls it into smooth, even sheets. To prevent air bubbles and ensure the dough stays flat, it moves through a spiked roller that creates tiny holes in the surface. After this, precise machines cut the dough into perfect round pizza bases, ready for the next steps in the process. Another method of shaping the pizza bases involves the use of precision pressing machines. These machines take dough balls and apply controlled pressure to shape them into uniformly round bases of consistent thickness. The dough balls are carefully aligned on the machine's platform, and as pressure is applied, they are transformed into flat, circular pizza bases. This process ensures that every pizza has a consistent size and thickness, which is crucial for even baking and uniform cooking. Depending on the type of pizza being produced, the pizza bases are baked in industrial ovens that cook them to perfection. The hot pizza bases are then transferred to a large multi-tiered rotating tower where they gradually cool down. This cooling process ensures that the pizzas maintain their structure and don't become soggy before they are topped and further processed. Topping the pizzas is an exacting process that ensures every pizza is made with precision. Various sauce dispensers are used to apply a layer of tomato sauce, and the key here is even distribution. Some machines use multiple nozzles to spray the sauce evenly across the pizza, while others rotate to spread it uniformly over the entire surface. This ensures that each pizza has the perfect amount of sauce, not too much or too little. Next comes the exciting part, adding the toppings. Rotating machines gently place ingredients like meats, vegetables, and other toppings onto the pizzas in carefully measured amounts. The machines are designed to minimize waste, with any toppings that fall off being collected and reused in the process. This helps reduce food waste and ensures that all ingredients are used efficiently. Once the toppings are added, the pizzas are topped off with a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese, which is evenly distributed using advanced dispensers. These dispensers are programmed to ensure that every pizza gets the right amount of cheese, creating that perfect cheesy texture that pizza lovers crave. The pizzas are then placed into a colossal industrial tunnel oven, which operates at temperatures ranging from 450 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. These ovens are capable of baking up to 400 pizzas every minute, making them incredibly efficient and fast. After baking, the pizzas are quickly cooled to preserve their freshness and prevent them from becoming soggy or losing their flavor. Once cooled, the pizzas are moved to specialized freezers where they undergo a flash freezing process. This rapid freezing brings the temperature of the pizzas down to as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in the freshness and flavor. The flash freezing process is crucial in preserving the quality of the pizzas for later consumption. Finally, the completed pizzas are moved to the packaging area. Here, each pizza is placed on a cardboard disc for support, and high-speed wrapping machines apply a multi-layered plastic film to seal the pizza airtight. This prevents freezer burn and helps maintain the pizza's moisture and freshness during storage and transportation. After the wrapping process, the pizzas go through quality control checks to ensure they meet the company's high standards. They are then placed in pre-printed boxes, which are sealed and labeled with important information such as production dates, batch numbers, and expiration dates. The packaging process is incredibly fast, with pizza production lines typically packaging between 60 and 120 pizzas per minute. These advanced production facilities showcase the power of technology in scaling up traditional processes. The combination of automation and precision ensures that every pizza produced meets the highest standards of quality and taste, making it possible to deliver millions of pizzas to consumers worldwide while maintaining consistency and excellence in every bite. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at KFC's incredible chicken production process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting insights.